In this video, I want to show you how to make a copy, black and white or color, using your HP Envy Photo 7975 printer. So let's get started right away. This printer has two different scanners, a basic scanner glass located right over here, and a top document feeder. Both of these can be used to make a copy. Let me demonstrate how to align the paper in both of these. So if you're going to use this scanner glass, take your page, put it facing down with the top part of your page towards the left side. Then we need to align the top left corner of the page with the top left corner of the scanner. So both needs to be touching. And then you can close the lid. If you're going to use the automatic document feeder, then there is some tabs on each side that you need to push on the extremities if you're going to make a copy of a US letter size. And this time you're going to place your paper with the printed side facing up and with the top part of your document towards the left. Glide it until you cannot glide it anymore. You're going to really feel that you reach the end. If you're scanning multiple pages, it's also a good idea to extend this small flap because the pages will come out under, and if this is not extended, well, they will fly all over your desk or the floor. On the main menu of the printer, you should see Copy. It is the first option. Tap on it. And now you have multiple options. Do you want to make a copy of a document, the one that I have inserted? You can make a copy of an ID card or even pictures. I will select document because this is what I'm trying to do here. And now you have a few different options. The first one is if you want to make a two-sided copy. So if your document is printed on both sides, select two side or just on one side. My document is just printed on one side. Therefore, I will leave it 1:1. Then you have, if you want to make a copy in color or black and white, okay. Over here you have color, over here you have black and white. And if you have more specification, if you want more options, you can click the cogwheel and now you're going to have a lot more options to change. Most people will never touch these, and honestly, unless you want something very specific, just leave them the way they are. When you're ready, you can set the number of copies over here. There's one, but you can put the numbers you wish. Okay, let me just go back. And at the end, press the copy button once you're ready. Let me do it. And here we got our black and white copy. So this is it. This is how you make a copy using your HP Envy Photo 7975. Check my Amazon links if you want to get replacement ink cartridges for this model or some more paper. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to also leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks.